guys out here in the boonies. I want to dedicate this video to all my day one fans, all my current subscribers, and just all you guys who take the time to support what I do and what I do with my car. So this is going to be for you. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for 10K. All right, so I thought I was gonna be able to do a burnout, but summer tires heat up super quick. I was getting too much grip. That was honestly a fail, but I figured, you know, why not try it anyways for you guys. A bunch of you guys are probably gonna be laughing right now, but it is what it is. Like, I was so confident in getting ready to do it, and I freaking failed with it. So gonna have to update you guys with another one with actually like used crappy tires. What I think I'm gonna do is try another one right here real quick, because this is kind of a populated spot. Try to do it before Buddy comes up here. All right, so we're at a new spot right now. I'm gonna show you things not to do when you're doing a burnout. It would help if the traction control is turned off. All right, so this is my cheating formula since Civics have no balls or no torque, so. Yeah, smells nice and soapy. Look it, we'll do a little strip. This is only for the people who can't do burnouts, all right? Not so bad that I actually got to get back here to the puddle and try it.
This is what happens when you try to burn out a front-wheel drive lawnmower. It doesn't work.
Make sure the tires are all wet. Do a couple rollbacks, forwards. I can't believe that my Civic couldn't do a burnout. That's just sad. I'm gonna have to go home and cry now in the corner or something, man. Trade in for something with more power, right? Seriously, the reason why I think that I couldn't get a mean burnout going is because my tires are way too sticky. They're performance summer tires. But motor mounts, the car being lowered in the front, all have an effect on how much wheel spin that I'm able to generate. And I feel like my setup now is more meant for traction, and that's why I feel like I couldn't get that nice burnout going. And I was kind of, even when I was on a slight incline, I really couldn't even get anything going there as well. So it just shows, you know, how much kind of grip this thing has in a way for what it is. Regardless, I had a really good time doing it. I had fun. I was making fun of myself. My girl was making fun of me. My car was laughing at me too most of the time. But I really do appreciate all you guys do for me. It means a ton to me. Like, I can't believe that I made it this far, and like 10K subs is a decent amount for one person, honestly. And I want you guys to stick with me throughout my little journey and stuff. And I do have some like plans that are coming into effect right now, but I want you all to stay with me for as long as I'm doing this. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Likes, drop your comments down below. You know, if you have Hondas, hit me up, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I've been talking about a burnout for a really long time, and since I failed the pretty much burnout, it showed you things not to do really. I'm gonna get some cheap tires for this thing from the junkyard, whatever I can find, like all seasons or whatever. I'm gonna mount them just on the fronts, and I'm gonna burn the crap out of those because I owe you guys after this video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like, drop all your comments, let me know if you guys failed your first burnout, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Still got decent tread on these things, and it's crazy how warm these things are right now, just from all the grip and stuff. But I think I got an alignment issue because on the inside of the tire, it's like balding, and I think that's why I'm getting wheel noise. But anyways, you gotta love the Rikens, guys. It's so horrible, man. But I'm open, I'm honest, like straight up, like I could not do a burnout today to save my life. But anyways, got the little table going here, got the MacBook. Any of you guys wanted to know what I edit with, this is literally my setup. I got a little USB thing right here, so I appreciate all of you for viewing this video. Behind scenes right now, just chilling. I hope to put out more awesome content for you guys in the future, and I hope like you guys stick with me along my little journey. Got a lot of stuff going on right now. I may be moving to South Carolina, have a new job lined up possibly, so I'm like torn between. But anyways, I'll keep you guys posted when the time comes, and I'll see you in the next video.